Oil-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high protein, super tasty, super quick and easy, super healthy, super creamy, strawberry ice cream! Made with chickpeas and Medjool dates, but tastes super creamy! So good! So hit the subscribe button and let's get started! First up, open a can of chickpeas! Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with 2 cups of strawberries. Half a cup of almond butter. Six soft Medjool dates. And a cup of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super creamy and smooth. Now just freeze it. And enjoy the healthiest high-protein strawberry ice cream! Thanks for watching!